All right, I can't close that top on here because of all this. This had the super on top of it. So you got to get that off. I mean, just now the bees are now their patience is being tested suddenly. A little shaking here, make the whole stand shake. All right, just throw this in the bucket right there. It'll be all right. The way I harvest my honey, I don't get a lot of wax. Most of my wax is saved on the actual frame itself. But I do have some, so I'll just add this to it. Probably could. That's propolis from the propolis trap, so I'll just. Mix this in with this empty bucket of food. Throw most of it on the ground. All right. We are almost done, guys. Look at that. If I recall, this honey super, it leaves a little bit desired. This is an old strip from way back. Throw that down here. All right, what the? Hadn't noticed any. Oh, that's not good. Oh, there's one. Come on, bees. I don't have a lot of fuel in here. I just got a bunch of paper.